at you and only sees the wrong. I'll be the one to hear your hidden song. I see the gold underneath the dirt and the dust. In a benevolent vision, we place our trust. Look through the eye of kindness, see the light within. Beyond the failure A friendship is a garden that we choose to grow, not a wild field where the cold winds blow. It takes a patient time to pull out the weed and give the heart exactly what it needs. We are gardeners of the soul, planting seeds of trust, turning all the shadows into golden dust. It's a skill we practice, a labor of the life, keeping the spirit shining through the night. Don't just let the branches, don't just let the branches, don't just let the branches, don't just let the branches grow out of control. Prune the ego and liberate the soul. Benevolence is the water, kindness is the sun. The work of a friend is never truly done. We are gardeners of the soul, planting seeds of trust, turning all the shadows into golden dust. When you look in the glass and you only see gray, I'll be the one to wash the shadows away. I won't see the failure or the things you regret. I see the goal that the world hasn't met. It's a deliberate vision, a benevolent eye, finding the truth beneath every lie. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Oh, one vibration. Oh, vulnerability is the bridge to the heart, the courage to show every broken down part. I listen to the mess, I'll edit the pain until your own spirit feels feel steady again. Benevolence is the frequency we choose, the only way that we never can lose. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Oh, one vibration. Oh, don't just be yourself if yourself is in chains. Break through the ego and the emotional rain. Share the anxiety, the doubt and the fear. That is the moment when heaven is near. In this roots rhythm, we finally find the peace and the power of a benevolent mind. Starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. Master the reflection. Love is the mirror. We walk this earth thinking love is just a breeze, that it falls from the sky and puts our hearts at ease. But the roots of a brother, the roots of a friend, take our patient gardener for the branches to bend. It's not just about being who you naturally are, it's about how you listen when the soul has a scar. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. Make each other whole, yeah. Make each other whole, yeah. When the world throws a stone and you stumble in the dark, a true friend won't judge the shadows in your spark. They offer a version of you that is kind, editing the mess that is tangled in your mind. Vulnerability is the key to the gate, sharing all the fears that we carry like weight. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. practice the art, master the heart. Let's laugh, the madness, the irony of life, a playful connection to cut through the strife. It's a long-term mission, a slow-growing tree. The more that I help you, the more I am free. In the rhythm of trust, in the globe of the truth. Wisdom for the elders, a map for the youth. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. Learn to be a friend, it's a work of art. It's a work of art. We are builders of a temple that no eye can see, constructed in the silence and the honesty. It's not a natural forest, it's a garden we plant, with the seeds of our truth and the prayers we chant. If the walls are shaky and the foundation is thin, we open the windows and let the light in. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal, to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. When your mind is a city in the middle of a war, I'll be the peace you've been looking for. I listen to the whispers that you're scared to speak, and offer my strength when your spirit is weak. Benevolence is the blueprint, kindness is the stone. In this architecture, you are never alone. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal, to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. One vibration. Don't just be yourself if you're hiding behind the mask. Being truly honest is a holy task. Share the anxiety, the cracks and the dust. That's the only way to build the towers of trust. In this roots rhythm, the ego must fall, to build a world that is open to all. architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. Master the architecture. Love is the plan. Jah guide the builder. Silence isn't empty, it's a space to be filled with the words of a brother whose spirit is chilled. We walk through the valley of ego and pride, but a friend is the person who walks by your side. Not just for the laughter, not just for the sun, but for the moments when you feel you're the only one. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration. One heart, one vibration. Bring me your shadows, your failures and shame. I won't look for the person that you used to blame. I'll give you a version of you that is bright when your own inner vision has lost all the light. Vulnerability is the strength of the soul. It's the only medicine that can make us whole. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration. One heart, one vibration. Don't be a stranger in your own house of clay. Let the light of a friend wash the sorrow away. We're editing the story, we're changing the script. From the chains of the lonely, our spirits are stripped. In this dub vibration, we finally see that loving each other is what sets us free. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration. One heart, one vibration. Hear the silence, master the heart of the soul. One love, one love. Tower, minute by minute and hour by hour. Foundation laid in the soil of truth, from the wisdom of age to the fire of youth. The architecture of trust is a holy sight, of trust is a holy sign. Like a single seed in a desert of stone. We need the forest, we need the tribe to keep the spirit and the love alive. Rooted in wisdom, growing in grace, moving together at a steady pace. Friendship is the foundation, the ancient key. dust on my feet, red clay on my hands. I feel the ground breathing under the mango stands. Drum talk through the yard, slow steps in the rain. Every small thing moving, calling out my name. I've been listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. See the smoke in the air, footprints by the door. Old words in the evening, ringing like before. I let the worry scatter like birds from the cave. When the night gets heavy, I breathe out your name. I've been listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. Baseline rolling deep, stars in the black sky. Nothing but the heartbeat and the wide open eye. My feet remember, what my mind forgets. Peace don't rush the doorway, it arrives, it sits. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, they tell you be yourself and the world will be fine. But a true soul connection takes more than a line. It's an architecture built with care and with grace, creating a sanctuary, a hallowed space where your darkest of secrets don't need to be hidden. And no honest thought is ever forbidden. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a Friendship is governed by a higher law. Benevolence is the lens through which we must see the struggles you face to finally be free. I'll edit your chaos, I listen to your pain, like the sun coming out through the tropical rain. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. Trust is all that we hear. It's not an accident, it's a choice that we make to give more to the world than we ever could take in this roots vibration. Let the ego just fall. One love, one heart, answering the call. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, the song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. Master the skill, love is the root. Master the skill. Life is too serious, the weight is too much. We lose the magic and we lose the touch. But a friend is the one who can find the joke and see the comedy in the fire and the smoke. Let's laugh at the madness, let's play in the sun. The work of the art is meant to be fun. A playful connection, a resilient string to catch us when the bells of sorrow ring. Absurdity is the glue that will stick when the walls of the world get too heavy and thick. Don't be a statue, don't be a ghost. Laugh with the people that you love the most. Let's laugh at the madness, let's play in the sun. Whoa, ah, ah, ah. Whoa, ah, ah, ah. Whoa, ah, ah, ah. The world is shaking and the towers start to lean. Nothing is ever quite as simple as it seems. But when you're drifting on a broken piece of wood, I'll be the land where the righteous have stood. I'll be a solid ground, your foundation and your rock, the steady rhythm that can never stop, rooted in the truth, anchored in the soul, helping the broken parts to become whole. Share your anxiety, give me your fear. The frequency of friendship is all that we hear. No shifting sand and no rising tide. With a true brother, there's nowhere to hide. I'll be a solid ground, your foundation and your rock. Take off the armor, take off the armor, lay down the shield. There's a beautiful truth in the heart revealed, showing the cracks where the light can dance, giving our spirits a second chance. In the echo of vulnerability we find the sacred tie that truly binds. No more hiding, no more the mask. Being honest is our only task. victory and to see the strife, to stand in the corner and hold up the light when the path ahead is as dark as the night. I am your witness, I see who you are, a shining sun and a distant star, a conscious presence, a steady hand, walking with you through the shifting sand. We need a witness to know we are here, to validate the joy and to validate the fear. It's a holy service, a duty of the soul, to keep the human story under control. I am your witness, I see who you are. I see you, one love. Your thoughts are a tangle, a mess of a vine. You can't see the logic or the master design, but sit with a friend and let the words flow, and watch how the clarity starts to grow. We're in the editing room,